Let us take an example on page number 195. Draw a bar graph and answer the following questions. A table is given here. Number of vehicles and number of people are shown in this table. There are 15 people who are using cycle and 34 people using car, 5 people using bus, 10 are using scooter and 4 are using truck. So first question is, which vehicle is maximum in number? Second, which vehicle is minimum in number? Third, how many motorcycles are than scooters? First of all, we have to draw a bar graph as it is shown in this question. Draw a bar graph, then answer the following question. So let us solve how to draw a bar graph. For drawing a bar graph, first of all, we will draw a line horizontally, which is called x-axis, and vertically, which is called y-axis, and where these two lines joined, we mark 0 here, or we can say origin. हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन को एक्स एक्सिस बोलते हैं, वर्टिकल लाइन को वाई एक्सिस बोलते हैं. जिस पॉइंट पे ये दोनों लाइंस मीट करती हैं उसको ओरिजिन या ज़ीरो पॉइंट हम बोल सकते हैं. राइट. वी विल टेक vehicle, number of vehicles on x axis, and we will take number of people on y axis. Right. Try to make this bar graph on graph paper. If you haven't any graph paper, then you can draw it in your notebook also, but it is little bit time consuming in your book than on graph paper. Graph paper पे graph draw करना easy है as compared to draw in your notebook. So after drawing x-axis and y-axis, we will take some scales on both these axes. We will mark points at 1 centimeter. हम 1 सेंटीमीटर के डिस्टेंस पे पॉइंट प्लॉट करेंगे. 1 सेंटीमीटर, 2, 3, 4 ऐसे. एंड ऑन वाई एक्सिस ऑल्सो वी विल मार्क पॉइंट्स आफ्टर 1 सेंटीमीटर. हम यहाँ वाई एक्सिस पे भी 1 सेंटीमीटर के पॉइंट्स को प्लॉट करेंगे. आफ्टर दिस वी हैव स्टेटमेंट. First of all, we will write on x-axis vehicles, and on y-axis we will write number of people. Right? We have 5 vehicles. First is cycle, second is car, third is bus, fourth is scooter, and fifth is truck. Right? Cycle, we will note down cycle here. Then we will leave a space. We will leave a gap. हम gap छोड़ेंगे. Next लेंगे हम यहाँ पे car. Again leave a gap of 1 centimeter. Then bus. Then scooter. Then truck. Right? After showing vehicles on x-axis, we will draw scale of number of people. कि number of people कितने हैं. Minimum number of people 4, maximum is 34. So we will show it on y-axis. We will start now. We will show scale on y-axis. 1, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30 and 35. राइट. मैंने यहाँ पे भी 1 सेंटीमीटर का गैप छोड़ा है. नाउ आई विल चेक हाइट ऑफ आई विल चेक नंबर ऑफ पीपल यूजिंग साइकिल. तो साइकिल यूज करने वाले लोग कितने हैं? 15. सो वी विल शो, वी विल ड्रॉ दिस बार अप टू 15 पॉइंट. यहाँ 15 है, 15 तक मैंने बार ड्रॉ करना है विद द हेल्प ऑफ स्केल. यूज स्केल फॉर ड्रॉइंग दीज. Use scale for drawing these bars. Second is car. Number of people using car is 34. Car are 34. 34 पे मैं ड्रॉ करूँगी. It is 30 and 34 it is less than 35. Right? Yes. It is equal to 34. Next, number of people using car are 5. 5 is here at a distance of 1 centimeter. तो हम एक एक सेंटीमीटर का गैप छोड़ के नेक्स्ट बार ड्रॉ करेंगे. नेक्स्ट, स्कूटर. नंबर ऑफ पीपल यूजिंग स्कूटर इज इक्वल टू 10. 10 up, we will draw this bar up to 10. We will check from this side also. Next, number of truck. Number of people using truck are 4. Right? After drawing this bar graph, you can fill different colors also to make it more attractive. You can fill colors like this. Now we will solve its questions. Which vehicle is maximum in number? You can check from this bar graph which vehicle is maximum in number. So highest bar is this, means number of people using car are maximum. Which vehicle is maximum in number? It is car vehicle. So answer is car. Second, which vehicle is minimum in number? Number of people using which vehicle is minimum in number? So it is truck vehicle is used by least number of people. How many more cycles are than scooters? स्कूटर से ज़्यादा कितने साइकिल हैं? स्कूटर्स की नंबरिंग है 10 एंड साइकिल की नंबरिंग है 15. कितने ज़्यादा साइकिल हुए? 5. राइट? After solving example, let us do exercise 19.1. The statement is, the following table shows the number of students who scored more than 80% marks in mathematics in each class. A table is given showing class and number of students. Class is up to 5 and number of students in first class 20, there are 20 students. In second class there are 12 students. In third class there are 28 students. And in fourth class there are 16 students. And in fifth class there are 12. Draw a bar diagram, bar graph to represent the data. Answer the following questions. First of all, we will draw a bar graph based upon the given information. Bar graph, you can show bar graph like this. On x-axis we will take class and on y-axis we will take number of students. x-axis पे हमने class लेनी है और y-axis पे number of students लेने हैं. And we will take 1 centimeter gap between these bars and breadth of bar should be equal. and class 1 shows 20 students. So we will mark 20 here by with the help of scale. And in second class there are 12 students, and in third class there are 28 students, and in fourth class there are 16 students, and in fifth class there are 12 students. Now questions are, in which class did maximum number of students score more than 80%? In which class मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट्स किस क्लास में हैं जिन्होंने 80% से भी ज़्यादा मार्क्स स्कोर किए? मैक्सिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स इन विच क्लास? इन थर्ड क्लास, बिकॉज क्लास का बार सबसे हाईएस्ट है। इन क्लास थर्ड, इन क्लास थर्ड। नेक्स्ट, which class did minimum number of students score more than 80%? मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स किस क्लास में है? क्लास सेकेंड एंड क्लास फिफ्थ में। क्लास सेकेंड एंड फिफ्थ। नेक्स्ट लास्ट क्वेश्चन इज, विच टू क्लासेस हैव इक्वल नंबर ऑफ स्टूडेंट्स विद 80% मार्क्स? टू इक्वल क्लासेस, टू classes having equal number of students are second and fifth, because number of students are equal, which are 12. Class second and fifth, right? You can put colors in this diagram to make it more attractive. It should be neat and clean and more attractive. Solve sum number 2 and 3. Understand these new concepts and then note it down in your notebook number 1. Thank you.